morning everyone. Today we are going to start with a new chapter, chapter 8, perimeter, area and volume. So we are going to begin with the very first term, that is perimeter. What do you mean by perimeter? Perimeter means that the sum of length of the boundary of any shape. That means if I have a shape, this is a square. Now to find its perimeter, what I will do, I am going to add the length of all the four sides of the square. I will add this, this, this and this, and I will get the perimeter of the shape. So what is perimeter? Perimeter is the sum of length of all the sides of any shape. Now this is a shape of square. Yes. So it has four sides, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Yes. The four sides of this square are all equal. We know that in a square all the four sides are of same length. So to find the perimeter of the square, I will add first, second, third and fourth side together and I will get its perimeter. Same with the rectangle. This is a rectangle, and to find the perimeter of this rectangle, I am going to do the same thing. I will add this, this, this and this, the length of all four sides, so that I can get its perimeter. I hope it is clear what do you mean by perimeter. As you know that to find perimeter, we are going to add all the sides in the given shape. So there are some formulas as well to find the perimeter of particular shape. Okay, and now we are going to learn how we can find perimeter of a rectangle. To find perimeter of rectangle, we see that this is its length, this is its length. In a rectangle, opposite sides are equal. This is breadth, this is breadth. So the lengths have same sides, same length. Breadths have same sides, same length. Okay, if this is 10 centimeter, it means that the length, the second length will also be 10 centimeter. If this is 5 centimeter, so it will also be 5 centimeter. Okay, now perimeter means sum of all the four sides, that means length plus breadth plus breadth. Length plus length because we have two length. Breadth plus breadth because we have two breadths. Okay. Now I know that there are two lengths. So I can write it as L plus L as 2L. Okay. And the same B plus B as 2B. Alright. So 2 times of length and 2 times of breadth. We know that repeated addition means multiplication. Yes. If the same figure is being added 2 times, we can multiply it by 2. That is how I got 2L and 2B. Now here also 2 is there. Here also I have 2. I can take this out and inside the bracket I can write L plus B. That means sum of length plus breadth multiplied by 2. This is the formula to find the perimeter of a rectangle. What I did, to find the perimeter, what we will do, instead of adding length, breadth, this is going to take more difficult time. So I can add length and breadth and multiplied by 2. We will get the perimeter of rectangle. And following this rule, we are going to do the question given in our recap exercise. Question number 1. Let us see what does it say. Find the perimeter of the following. So two shapes are given which are in the rectangular shape, right? We have to find the perimeter of those two shapes. Here on this board, I am going to start with B part of question number 1. That says, it's the shape of a blackboard in the question and its length is 2.5 meter and the breadth is 1.5 meter. Yes, just now we have learned that the perimeter of a rectangle is find the sum of length and breadth and multiply it by 2. Yes, we did it right now. So how are we going to start with it? Let's write length is equal to 2.5 meter. Breadth is equal to 1.5 meter. And we know that perimeter is equal to sum of length and breadth multiplied by 2. Yes, so add the given figures in your formula. 2 will remain as it is. Length is 2.5 meter and breadth is 1.5 meter. So add 2.5 and 1.5. 2.5 plus 1.5. 5 plus 5, 10. Point will become here. 2 plus 1 plus 1 becomes 4. So your answer is 4.0 means 4. We all know decimal. After decimal point if 0 comes, it has no value. We can write it as whole number 4. So the sum of length and breadth has come 4 meter. Multiply this 4 meter with 2. 2 4s are 8. So your perimeter of rectangle is 8 meter. I hope you all have understood this. Let's see how we can find a perimeter of a square. This is a square. It has 4 equal sides. We all have already discussed that all the 4 sides of a square are of same length. So I have written it as S, S, S and S. S means side. So we have all the 4 sides of same length in a square. To find the perimeter, it says that find the sum of all the sides of the given shape. So that means add S plus S plus S plus S. As all 4 sides are of same length, so we are going to add all the 4 sides. Now all the sides are of same. So repeated addition is there. How many times we have to add the same figure? 4 times. So instead of adding all the sides again and again, I can multiply the given side with 4. So how I have got the formula for finding the perimeter of square is that multiply the length of the side with 4 and you will get the perimeter of the square. 4 multiplied by side, and that is your formula to find the perimeter of square. Okay, so now let us try this formula in the question given in the recap exercise, question number 2. It says find the perimeter of the following squares. We are going to do B part here as well. The square is made and the length of one side is 32.5 centimeter. If the length of one side is 32.5 centimeter, all the four sides will be of 32.5 centimeter only, as in square all four sides are of same length. And just now we found the formula for perimeter of square, that is equal to 4 multiplied by the side. That means 4 multiplied by 32.5 centimeter. I will multiply 32.5 with 4 and I will get the perimeter of this square. Okay, and we all know how to multiply in decimals. 32.5 multiplied by 4. 4 5s are 20. 4 2s are 8 plus 2 10. 4 3s are 12 plus 1 13. In our questions only one digit is there in decimal. So in our product as well only one digit will come in decimal. So it becomes 130.0. That means the perimeter of square is 130 centimeter. After decimal point is 0 is there, it is not required, it becomes a whole number. So the perimeter of the square comes 130 centimeter. I hope you all have understood this as well. Now let us see question number 3. It says, find the perimeter of the following polygons and express them in meters. Just now we have learned how to find perimeter of square, how to find perimeter of rectangle. Now polygon is a closed shape made up of 3 or more line segments. We discussed this in our previous chapter. So here let us see how many line segment polygon is given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is a polygon with 5 line segments. That is known as pentagon. So here we can see all the 5 sides are having different length. This is 55 centimeter, 20 centimeter, 18 centimeter, 50 centimeter and 25 centimeter. What I will do, the perimeter is sum of length of all sides. So add all the given 5 lengths and you will get its perimeter. So we will write perimeter is equal to sum of length of all sides. So that means add 55 centimeter plus 20 centimeter plus 18 centimeter plus 50 centimeter plus 25 centimeter. So we are going to add all the 5 sides, and when I will add we will get 168 centimeter. So the perimeter or the length of the boundary of the given shape is 168 centimeter. Okay, but it also says express them in meters. You have to convert this centimeter into meter. Okay, so 1 centimeter will be equal to 1 divided by 100 to convert it into meter. When we convert from smaller unit to bigger unit, we divide and the steps are from meter to centimeter. There are 2 steps, so we will divide by 100. Okay, so let's see this how. K, H, D, U, D, C and N. So here it is centimeter, here it is a unit. Meter is a basic unit of length. For converting to centimeter to meter, we have to go 2 steps up. That means divide by 100. Okay, 168 centimeter is equal to 168 divided by 100 to convert it into meter. Now, decimal division by 10, 100,000. Number of zeros 2. So after decimal point there should be 2 digits in our number. So it will become 1.68 meter. I hope it is clear to you all, and now you all are requested to complete this work at home in your maths notebook, and the PDF for the same will be shared along with the homework questions, that will be question 1, 2 and 3 A parts. B parts I have discussed with you all in the video, and A parts will be done by you all as your homework. Thank you everyone. Take care. Bye bye.